Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome my dear student. I am Dr. Rasha Muhammad Nada, Assistant Lecturer of Forensic Medicine and Clinical Toxicology. Today we will take a practical lesson about ballistics. Ballistics mean any objects come out from a firearm weapon, from the barrel of the firearm weapon. What is the type of ballistics? Cartridge, either from rifled or non-rifled weapon. Bullet, which come out from a rifled weapon only. Shots, which come from non-rifled weapon only. Wads and powder. What are the types of firearm weapons? You must listen to firearm lecture to understand this classification. Okay, the firearm weapons classified into two main types: non-rifled weapon and rifled weapon. Non-rifled and rifled weapon. Non-rifled means smooth bore like this. Okay, rifled mean there is a alternating ridges and groove inside the barrel of the weapon. Okay, like this. Okay, non-rifled, there is only one type called sporting gun. Rifled weapon classified into two main types: long and short weapons. Long weapon called surface rifled weapon. There is two subtypes from surface rifled: automatic and non-automatic. The other types is short subdivided into two main groups: revolver and automatic pistol. Revolver subdivided into two types, old and new, and we will take the difference between the different types of. How to comment on cartridge. The first ballistics we will take is cartridge. How to comment on cartridge? First, the name of the specimen. It is cartridge. Okay. Second, how to know it is complete or empty. Third, we will know how to comment fired or not. Lastly, the type of weapon in which this cartridge present, either rifled weapon, surface rifled, automatic pistol or revolver, or the other type of non-rifled weapon, which is called sporting gun. Okay, how to comment on the cartridge: empty or complete, or full. How to comment it is empty or full? We will look at the cartridge from above. This piece is called the base of the cartridge, made of brass. This cartridge of a sporting gun, it is characteristic of a sporting gun, made of ballistics, made of plastic or cardboard. Okay, with a base made of brass. Okay, to comment the cartridge is empty or full, we will look at the top of the cartridge. I'll look from above. If we found it is closed like this, we will comment it is full or complete. But if we found the cartridge like this picture, uh, it is empty, no content inside it, no content inside it, it is empty. Okay, what about this picture? This cartridge of surface rifled weapon. Okay, one of a rifled weapon which called surface rifled, all made of brass. Okay, and it has a shoulder in the end of it, and closed from above by its bullet, which is long and pointed, long and pointed. This empty or full? It is empty, no bullet covered it. Okay, in this type no bullet covered it, يبقى it is empty. طب what about this cartridge, empty or complete? It is complete or full, because the bullet covered the second comment, fired or not. It is fired or not. How to know it is fired? We will look at the bottom. Okay, in this time we will look at the bottom, at the base. There is in the center called percussion cap. We will look at the center of the percussion cap. If there is dimple or dot like this, it is called fired. It is called fired. Dimple like this in the center of the percussion cap. This large circle called the base. The second circle is called the percussion cap. In the center of percussion cap, if we found a dimple or a dot like, we call it is fired. If there is no, it is not fired. Okay, what is the mechanism of firing? On firing, needle strikes the percussion cap. This will lead to a spark. The spark will lead to ignition of the powder. Huge volume of gases will rise from the inside the cartridge, then drive the missiles out from the barrel. Okay, what is the type of weapons we will take today on a sporting gun? Surface rifled weapon, either automatic or non-automatic, automatic pistol, and revolver. Sporting gun, the first weapon we will take today. Sporting gun, it is one of the non-rifled weapon. Okay, a cartridge made of cardboard or plastic like this, made of plastic, any color, orange, green, yellow, or red, any color. Okay, the base made of brass like this. This is called a base made of brass. Okay, inside this cartridge we will found inner weight, then shots, then external weight. In between there is a powder, black or smokeless powder. This cartridge of sporting gun is characteristic. As we know, it is made of plastic or cardboard. This is made of plastic. This from cardboard. Okay, how to comment about this picture or this image? Firstly, we will look at the top of the cartridge. It is empty or complete? It is empty. Fired or not? It is fired. Why? Because there is a dimple in the percussion cap. يبقى empty, fired, cartridge of sporting gun. It is one of non-rifled weapon. Okay. In exam, if we if there is two picture like this, we will give you two question. Example as what is the specimen, or it is fired or not, in which type of weapon. Okay, we will answer it is fired. Okay, if it's fired or not, we will answer fired. Okay, complete or empty? It is empty. In which weapon? It is sporting gun, non-rifled weapon. Okay, the second image like this. Okay, it is empty, non-fired cartridge of sporting gun. It is one of non-rifled weapon. Okay, this picture, it is complete, non-fired cartridge of sporting gun. It is one of non-rifled weapon. Okay, this how to comment on cartridge of sporting gun. This slide about the sporting gun, as we said, it is of any color. Okay, orange, red, green, blue, yellow, any color. Okay, if we take this image, it is fired or not? Not fired. No dimple in the percussion cap. Okay, well, in which weapon? It is sporting cartridge of sporting gun, one of non-rifled. Okay, fired or not? Not fired. There is no dimple in the percussion cap. Okay, complete or empty? Complete. The second type of the weapon, firearm weapon, is surface rifle, either automatic or non-automatic. How to differentiate between the automatic and the non-automatic surface rifle? This cartridge of surface rifled weapon. Okay, long rifled weapon or surface rifled weapon. Okay, describe it. It is long, made of brass or made of brass. Unlike the sporting gun made البody made of plastic or cardboard والبase from البراس. But in this surface rifle, it is all made of brass. Okay, has a shoulder or narrowing from at the end. Bullet covering it, it is long and pointed. Long and pointed. Okay, how to differentiate between the automatic and the non-automatic type? By presence of rim or groove. Rim or groove. Presence of groove mean depression inside the body. It is called groove. Groove mean it is automatic surface rifle like this. But if we find rim, it is like edge. Okay, edge. it is called, or it is mean that this weapon it is non-automatic. يبقى we will differentiate between surface rifled weapon either automatic or non-automatic by presence of groove or rim. Groove mean it is automatic weapon. Rim mean it is. In this slide we show a different picture of surface rifled weapon. Okay, in exam we will give you two picture beside as this image and this image. How to comment in this image? Okay, firstly, empty or complete. It is empty, there is no bullet covered the cartridge. Okay, so it is empty. Fired or not? It is not fired, there is no dimple in the percussion cap. Okay, which weapon? I will look at the bottom. If there is groove like this, it is automatic surface rifle. One of rifle, it is automatic surface rifle. This is the image of the groove. Okay, like a depression inside the body. Okay, how to comment in this cartridge? Okay, it is empty or complete? It is empty, there is no bullet. Okay, fired or not? Not fired, there is no dimple on percussion cap. Okay, in which type of weapon? We will look at the bottom. If there is rim, it is non-automatic surface rifle. Okay, there's all rim, but all of them it is automatic. There is a automatic non-automatic surface rifle, all non-automatic surface rifle. Okay, another type of firearm weapon, rifled weapon, an automatic pistol, like this. Automatic pistol like this. What is the difference between automatic pistol and revolver? Firstly, we will describe the cartridge of short weapon. Automatic pistol and revolver, it is one of short weapon. Okay, the cartridge short, made of brass or made of brass, and the covered bullet it is short and blunt. Short and blunt. Okay, like this. Okay, how to differentiate between automatic pistol and revolver? Automatic pistol, from his name, automatic. On automatic mean presence of groove. Okay, presence of groove in the bottom. Okay, the automatic pistol. Revolver all are non-automatic. There is will be rim or groove. Rim. Okay, revolver has two subtypes, new revolver and old revolver. How to differentiate between new revolver and old revolver? We will look at the bullet, a difference in the bullet. Now, a difference in the bullet. If the bullet is jacketed, has a jacket from copper or nickel, it is called new revolver. Okay, but if the bullet is not covered, not jacketed by copper or nickel, like this, like this, made of lead only, يبقى it is old revolver. Okay, this is the difference between an automatic pistol and the revolver. Automatic pistol, from his name, automatic mean the cartridge has a groove at the bottom. Okay, revolver all has rim. Revolver subdivided into two subgroups: new revolver and old revolver. New revolver, a difference in the bullet. If the bullet has a jacket, it is called new revolver. Has a jacket of made of copper or nickel. If the bullet of the revolver has no jacket, non-jacketed, it is called old revolver. Okay. How to comment on this image? Okay, firstly, it is complete or empty? Complete. Why? Bullet on the cartridge. Okay. In which weapon this cartridge there is rim or groove? It is groove. It's mean it is automatic pistol. Automatic pistol. Okay, like this. To cartridge of automatic pistol, because there is groove at the bottom. Okay. طيب, another image. This is of which weapon? It is of old revolver. Why? There is a rim at the bottom. This means it is revolver. Old or new, we will look at the bullet. If it is jacketed, we call it is new. But in this image, no jacket. The bullet has no jacket. It's called, it is old revolver. So it is old revolver, like this. It is old or new revolver. It is old revolver. Okay. This image may come to you in exam. It's fired or not? It is not fired. There is no dimple in the percussion cap. Empty or complete? It is complete. There is a bullet on the cartridge. In which weapon? It is rim or groove? It is rim. Rim mean it is revolver. Old or new? The bullet has a jacket. It is new revolver. Okay. We finish the first specimen. It is cartridge. We said how to comment on the cartridge, complete or empty, fired or not, and the type of weapon. Okay. This all cartridge, we take it. This all cartridge of all types of weapon, either sporting gun, surface rifled weapon, automatic and non-automatic, short weapons, so either automatic pistol like this, or revolver, new revolver and old revolver. Okay, all are okay. Okay. The second specimen is bullet. We will take the bullet. How to comment on bullet? Name of the specimen, it is bullet. Fired or not, type of weapon. Bullet present only in rifled weapon, as long rifled and short rifled. Okay. How to comment on the bullet, it is fired or not? How to know it is this bullet is fired or not? From rifling marks on the fired bullet. What's meant by rifling marks? This alternating barrel alternating ridges and grooves. This barrel line called firing marks, rifling marks. Okay. Presence of this rifling marks mean it is fired bullet. If there is no this marking or this marks, we will comment it is not fired. Okay. This bullets of different types of weapon. This of long weapon as a surface rifle, we call it is long and pointed. Okay. And this is another type of bullets in which present in a short weapon. It is short and blunt. Okay. What is the rifling marks? Rifling marks the barrel longitudinal ridges land alternating which groove on the inner surface of the barrel, vary in number with direction, depth and width. Okay, this inside the barrel of the weapon. Okay, like this barrel alternating ridges and groove. Okay. Firstly, the bullet of long rifled weapon or surface rifle. Okay. The first image, it is fired or not fired? Not fired, because there is no rifling marks in the bottom. Okay, there is no rifling marks in the bottom. Okay, this image, this picture is it is fired or not? It is fired because there is rifling marks alternating ridges and groove in the bullet. Of which weapon this bullet? It is of long rifled weapon. Either automatic or non-automatic. There is no cartridge to say it is automatic or non-automatic. Okay, we will write in the comment it is long rifled weapon only, but not automatic or non-automatic. Okay. What about this image? Firstly, it is fired or not? It is fired because there is rifling marks in the bottom. But what this? Why this shape? It is deformed. Okay, it is deformed bullet. Okay. What about this? It's fired or not? There's no firing marks. There is no rifling marks at the bottom. It is not fired. But what this? This is extraction mark. May be wrong by or mistake by doctor to use the forceps to extract it. Okay. Bullets of short rifled weapon. Okay. What about this image? Fired or not? It is not fired. Why? There is no rifling marks on the bullet. Okay, but the specimen is jacketed non-fired bullet of short rifled weapon. Describe it. It is short with blunt ended and jacketed. which type of weapon are either automatic pistol or new revolver, because it is jacketed. Types of weapon, it is either automatic pistol or new revolver, but not old revolver. What about this specimen? Is an extracted non-fired bullet of short rifle load. There is no rifling marks. Okay, there is no rifling marks, so it is not fired. Okay, but there is extraction mark on it. Okay, this is extraction mark. Okay, what about this image? It is fired or not? It is fired because there is firing marks. What about this bullet? It is covered by nickel. Okay, it is jacketed by nickel jacket. Okay, of which weapon? It is either automatic pistol or new revolver. Okay, fired or not? It is fired because there is presence of primary rifling marks. Okay, the third specimen of ballistics is called shots. Shots, it is very easy specimen. We will comment. It is shots. It is spherical. It is machine made, small, regular, equal in size and shape. They are made of lead balls. Okay, very easy to comment on this sample. Okay, it's short. They are machine made, small, spherical, regular, and equal in size and shape. They are made of lead. الويدز. What is the difference between the inner weight and the outer weight? The inner weight, it is thickness about 1 centimeter. Okay, but the outer weight, it is about 1 millimeter. Okay, comment like your practical book. How to comment on this picture. The specimen is the inner weight of non-rifled weapon. It is about 1 centimeter in thickness, rounded, brown in color, and made of felt. Okay, it is present in all non-rifled weapon, either sporting gun or other non-rifled. Okay, how to comment on this image? It is a specimen of inner weight of recent type. Okay, of sporting gun, where it is plastic and carries the shots. Okay, how to comment on this? It is outer weight, thickness about 1 millimeter in thickness, rounded. Okay, brown in color, made of full cardboard. Okay, it is presence of all in which weapon? In all non-rifled weapon. Okay, أو present in a sporting gun. Okay, very easy specimen, and we will answer it. The last specimen is powder. What is the type of powder? You know, there is 2 types of powder: smokeless powder and black powder. Smokeless powder and black powder. Black powder, color of the black powder is black. Okay, but the smokeless powder has a different color and shape. Scales like this, rods or cordel like this, or black like this. What is the difference between the black powder and smokeless powder? Which color is black? Black powder cause blackening of the test tube and the cotton or covering lip covering the tube. Okay, but the smokeless powder, which color is black, not blackening, not cause blackening of the test tube. Okay, what is the difference between the black powder and the smokeless powder? From shape and color. Black powder is irregular black lumps or powder. Smokeless powder has different uniform shape and color and size. Composition: black powder contain carbon, sulfur and potassium nitrate, while smokeless powder has nitrocellulose and nitroglycerin and mineral gel. Okay, volume of gases 1 to 300, while smokeless powder 1 volume give 900 volume. Okay, reaction after ignition: black powder alkaline, while smokeless powder is neutral. Okay, black powder present in which weapon? In black powder present in the sporting gun and the old revolver, while the smokeless powder present in sporting gun and rifled weapon except the old revolver. Okay, black powder which cause blackening at the inlet, while smokeless powder cause grayish coloration around the inlet. Okay, الcomment as your practical book. Specimen is black or smokeless powder. Any question: composition, shape, type of weapon, the amount of gas, as this table. Okay, we finish all ballistics specimen. We take a cartridge, the bullet, shots, weights and powder. Okay, we take all types, different types of weapon, either non-rifled as a sporting gun, rifled as a surface rifled, long surface rifled, automatic and non-automatic, short as automatic pistol and revolver. Okay, and finally, good luck and thank you.